I'm so excited. I'll be hearing the pitter-patter of tiny feet soon. In fact, it will be real soon. Aw, I'm a mommy! My babies are so beautiful!
Mama! Where's the milk?
Ugh! What a nightmare. Honey? I have something to tell you! Surprise! But… Wow! This book is so interesting! Move, nerd! Quit it! I need to do my makeup! What a day! Hey, I'm trying to read! Stop it! Whoa! What happened? What happened to the room? This is bad! I didn't finish my makeup! Relax. I have an idea. Cool! How did you do that? I'm digging the overalls. Don't you have something in pink? We can create our own space. We all need to pick a card. So it's like a lucky dip? Fine, I'll play along. Huh? What is this? Dump? I'm so confused. Do you want to trade? Yes! I got school! I think I got the mystery prize. These locations are where we'll get our supplies. You go that way. I'll head over there. Seriously? Who wants to trade? I literally have a question mark. Where do I go? Whatever. This looks fun. Hi, everyone. Ooh. I'll take that. You weren't that good anyway. You don't need to be mean. School. It's my happy place. I haven't read this before. Hey, what's the big idea? Oops, sorry. I'm gonna borrow these. This is the worst. What did I do to deserve this? It's so gross. Hey, this is my home. Yeah, I have that effect on people. It's okay. I'm a little stressed. My sister has given us a room makeover challenge, and I need to find materials at this dump. Maybe I could help. You could have my rug. Aw, thank you! You could have washed it first. Okay, I better go. Don't forget to email me. Come on! This book is great! Oh, we're all here. Let's design our spaces. It's time to rock. It reflects my personality. Ew, very nice. It's my turn. My space will be sensible and academic, just like me. Okay, check this out. My room is gonna be cute. It's perfect. And of course, I make it look even better. Looking good. This turned out well. Shh! You're ruining the ambiance. Oh, I feel awful. Hey, Mandy. It's time for school. I'm not going. I'm like, super ill. Aw, that's not good. Let me have a look at that. Oh no! You have a fever! You're going nowhere! You need a rest! I'll be back soon! She's right. I do have a fever, thanks to my hot water bottle. I knew she'd fall for it. Now it's time for some fun! How do I look? Mia, I can explain! What? Where did she go? Okay, that's weird. I totally got you! What is wrong with you? I was thinking of calling Ellie. You wouldn't! Please don't! Anything but that! Okay, but you need to do something for me. Fine. What do you want? This is gonna be bad, I know it. Time to make myself comfortable. You know what to do. Do I have to? This is so humiliating. And my snacks? Here they are, ma'am. I hope you enjoy them. I can't reach. I want you to feed them to me. Of course you do. I wouldn't expect anything else. Open wide. Tasty. I feel a little tense. A shoulder rub would be great. Right, no problem. This is a lot of costume changes. This is the life. Easy. Oops, there was a tight muscle. Time for some payback. Oh no, the bowl is slipping. I can't wait for this to be over. Wait, you didn't! Not to worry. I'll take care of it. I'll have this cleaned up soon. Not like I have anything else to do. My, what a mess. I just love cleaning. great. There's a lot more where that came from. Hold on. I've gotta make a call. Hello, Ellie? Mia? I'm getting medicine for Mandy. I can't talk. If I stop walking, I might turn into an icicle. Okay, bye. Huh? What are you doing? That's it! I'm done! Oh no, you're not! You can't boss me around! Uh-oh, it's Ellie. Huh? What's going on? Mandy? You're supposed to be ill! I was chased by wolves! Achoo! Uh-oh. That's it. Drink up. I'm so sorry. This is all your fault. I'm about to talk to William online. La la la. I've got butterflies. Ooh, ooh. Keep it down. I'm trying to concentrate. Huh? I can't hear you. William is so adorable. I'm so lucky. But what'll I say to him? Oh, I know. Simple and straight to the point. I love you. I think I'm gonna throw up. Wait, maybe I'll seem too intense. I'll delete that. I hit send! This is a disaster! What'll I do? I'm never leaving the house again. Please be okay. No! He didn't! Ugh! Why does this always happen to me? This is so unfair. Who's that? Why don't you go and find out? No! I'm dealing with something right now. Fine, I'll go. But you owe me. If this isn't pizza, I'll be annoyed. That was a waste of time. It was junk mail. I got off the couch for nothing. He's still offline! He's run away! I'm so mad right now. Calm down. No! This'll make me feel better! Ugh! Okay, you have a really scary side. I knew this would end in tears! Mandy? I need more things to rip up! What is it, Mia? Don't shout at me. I think you'll want to see this. Mandy, look. I'm so mad! What? What is that? Is it from William? There's more pieces! I need to put them together. It's like a puzzle. I don't believe it! He loves me! He's so sweet. I love you too. I love you. Bleh. Mandy! Dude, seriously! William! Mandy, I love you. This is like Romeo and Juliet. I'm so glad you're here. This is the best day ever. We make a cute couple. I'll take these. Where's the shop assistant? Hello? Can I get some service? Hello? Is this thing working? Ugh, this is so frustrating! Hey, over here! I love it when they're distracted. It makes my job much easier. I love the smell of hard-earned cash. I want to speak to the manager! Wait. What are you doing? It's not what it looks like. I'm, the wallet inspector. Everything seems to be in order. Oh my gosh, is that a superhero? Where? I can't believe she fell for that. I better do something. Gotta go. Whoa! This is gonna hurt! Wow. That was a close one. I thought that would work. So long, loser. Hey! Going somewhere? Nope. Not anymore. Wow, you're beautiful. Aw, that's so nice. I'm supposed to be the thief, but you've stolen my heart. I'm kinda in the middle of something, but wanna hang later? Hey buddy, we need to talk. You're drooling all over my floor! Watch where you're pointing that thing! Stop! I'm not a mob! You're messing up my hair! This is tough to watch. Ow! Ow! Please stop it! I still can't pay for these cookies. Well, there is another option. Relax, I have your wallet. Phew, what a relief. Thanks, Mandy. It's just what I do. Okay, I'll pay for them and we can go. Hello? Come on! Almost ready for the party. Boo! Give me that. Can you stop being annoying? Can I come to the party? No way. Aw, you're no fun. Oh, these are pretty. No! Stop it! But I want them! Oh, I have an idea. Look what I have. What now?
This might come in useful. Oh, that's good. A few more photos.
What's going on? Oh no! I must have fallen asleep. Whatever.
Huh? I thought that would work. Okay, what else do I have? Hold on. Aha!
Oh, when did you take that?
I'm a budding photographer. I also see opportunities.
Wait. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Ah, that feels better. What a relief.
Oh, this is perfect.
What's that noise?
Ellie?
Stop it! Or else! I mean it!
Gotta go!
You're so weird! Okay, fine. Take the shoes.
Yes! I knew that would work.
Don't walk so fast. Stay right there and don't embarrass me. Hi, can I have a drink?
Sure. Woohoo! What's going on?
Boo!
Ah! Save me, Mickey!
What have you done? No way! Oh, I'm boasting this.
It was an accident. Sorry.
Let's go, now!
This is my mommy.
Why am I so broke?
And this is my daddy.
Let go! Never!
Today's my birthday. Whoa, is that for me?
Nothing but the best for my little girl. It's so soft and cuddly. Happy birthday, honey.
Thanks, Daddy.
I've got something else for you. Bring it in. Look, a delicious cake all for you.
Ooh, I love cake.
Who doesn't? But that's not all.
Presents!
I'm not finished. Ready for the main present? It's a good one. Get in here.
Whoa!
I know, it's huge.
What is it, Dad?
Hi, vroom vroom. It's your very own driver. Let's roll.
Party number 2. I wonder what Mom has planned. Hi, Mommy.
Happy birthday, honey. I have something for you. I wrapped it myself.
My other sock. Thanks, Mom. Now I have 2.
Can't forget your cake.
You have some too, Mommy.
Thanks, sweetie. That's so kind.
Look at what Mickey's doing.
My hair is looking great.
Ooh, I'll surprise her. Arr!
Huh?
Give me the treasure!
I'm too busy for silly games. I'll take a quick selfie.
Oh, me too!
Get out of here! Why are you so annoying? Oh, it's almost time. Let's play hide and seek. 1, 2, 3.
I better hide! Ow! I can't forget this. Maybe I can hide here. Nah. She'll never find me in the closet. Ugh! There's something in there!
We can be friends!
Phew! Mickey's underwear drawer stinks. Oh, I know. Under the bed. Shh! Don't tell.
Is she gone? Yes!
Huh? What's going on?
Woohoo!
Hey, I'm trying to sleep.
Earthquake! Wait a minute. Let's party!
Uh-oh.
Is this a play date? Woohoo! I love play dates!
What's going on? I'm so sorry.
No, I want 2 yachts and 1 plane. Bye.
Hi, Daddy! Whoa! Help!
I'll save you!
Ah!
Gotcha. That was too close. Are you okay?
I saw my life flash before my eyes.
What do you mean he's performing surgery? I want a doctor now. My little girl just had a traumatic experience. I need medical assistance.
It makes you question what's important in life.
You called for help? Wow, that's good service. You need to help my little girl. I'll take care of this.
Will I feel better soon?
Let's get you comfortable. This will cool you down. All we can do is wait. Will she be okay? I'm so scared. Stay away from the light, okay, honey?
Okay, Daddy.
Knitting is so relaxing.
Mommy, I fell down.
I'm sure it's okay. Let me see it. Oh my! We need to do something about that. This bag of frozen vegetables should take care of that. Just lay back. It might be cold, but it'll help. We need to wait. I'll finish my knitting. Knitting is harder than it seems. Okay, let's see that bruise. It went right down. That did the trick. And we can use the veggies for dinner. I hope you're hungry.
What's happening? We should have done this a long time ago.
What are you doing?
Give me a kiss, hubby! Pucker up! Anything but that!
Ellie! Stop it!
You know, it wasn't so bad. I can't wait to tell Mommy. Whoa! You've made me so happy! He's got your eyes!
Okay, if Ellie can do it, so can I. What's the worst that can happen? Humiliation? Here goes! Hey! Are you talking to me? Nah, not gonna happen. But, what? What am I doing wrong?
Wow! We'll be together forever!
Oh, who's Mommy's perfect little angel? Let me just tuck you in and then I'll read you a story. How about this one, so you have good dreams? Now, one day the little prince decided to visit the dreamland. When he reached the land, he saw candy towers and cloud trees. And then Princess Prickly arrived. Look, here she is. And she brought her best friend, Cloud Kitty.
Yay! They're my favorites!
I'm pretty sleepy. Oh, look at him. He's fallen asleep. Let's just shut off this light.
Mommy, I had a bad dream. I'm scared. Can I sleep in here?
Fine.
Mommy, will you read me a story?
Okay, fine. Looks like there's a prince and he's in some sort of cloud land. Now there's a cactus. You know what? I'm done with this story. How about we play with Mommy's spider friends instead? Aren't they so wriggly?
Ah, no! I hate spiders!
Oh, alright. Maybe you need a song. I've been practicing this riff. Let me know what you think.
Ow! Too loud! Wow, I love this song! Woohoo! Yeah! Let's dance, Mr. Bear!
Finally, he's fallen asleep. The guitar all...
Brothers and sisters can be annoying, but at the end of the day, they're still family. What things do you do with your siblings? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.